Okay guys, this is part 2. These are the in-home starter plants that I'm hardening off. And then this is the front yard, just remnants of the tulips. So what I was saying was the tulips and even the rhododendrons, everybody looks so beautiful right now. But you know, with spring blossoms, there isn't a great deal of length to their beautiful foliage. So I was trying to start my plants by seed because they will offer some foliage for the celebration we're having for a family member in our backyard. So it's gonna be very nice. But this was my surprise experience. So these tulip, the bit of tulip foliage will be all cut back, but I'm just excited about how well the hostas, the astilbe, the ferns, I am just the heuchera. I'm so in love right now. I often thought that I couldn't plant anything under the trees because of roots, but there are things who love the shade that a tree offers. So this has been such an excitement for me. As we move along the shaded portion of the garden, the hostas are waking up, and I'm going to use an additional deterrent to help them survive slugs. And then we have the hydrangeas, and coming around to now one of the rhododendrons that we used the root starter on did pretty good, but the second one looks a little irritable. I don't know if I should start it again or what. And then I'll conclude with two things. This is the west side of the garden, and this is that full-fledged restructuring we're doing and getting the drip organized. And I mean, I'm so excited, but I'm not sure what the angel ninebarks think of all of it. They've been here for a minute and they don't look like they're awakening, so they may have to be replaced. We have some mint coming in here. That'll be fun. And then some cast over planting. We'll see how that goes. There's so much fun things, so many fun things to share. These, we'll see. It was supposed to be strawberries, but then we had a situation with the wind and the towers, so I'll let you know how that goes. Last but not least is my newest challenge. Cutting under the bench has become a very interesting adventure. So I will let you know how that goes. I would like to place succulents in a container and tilt it so that the succulents face the sun, kind of like what I did with any openings, like small edgings. And the hens and chicks really like it. So I'll let you know how it goes, but I'll leave this one image for you guys because I was scared to cut this tree back because I just love the burgundy of it, but it was touching the ground and not being the most it could be, and it seems to be responding well. Just sent out, planted, just fertilized the bed. So we will complete the irrigation system, I guess, the new, what we're gonna work out for that. And then look at that, look at the potential. So hopefully it'll be fun as well as beautiful for any summer fun. So have a wonderful week, and I'll try to relax. I was trying to rush because I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, but we got to cover it in part 2. All right, have a great day, guys. A great week. Bye-bye.